Hi, I'm just jumping on to show you my June customer appreciation gift. Now, you will receive a PDF tutorial and a link to a video to show you how to make this gift. Now, you will receive this if you place an order of $100 after rewards and shipping with me in the online store. You'll also get my Make and Create, which I film on the last Wednesday of every month in my Card and a Cuppa time slot, and you'll get a little card kit in the mail to qualify, to participate in that as well. So if you place $100 or more order with me during the month of June, this is the June customer appreciation gift. So it's a little handbag purse, and it's really quite easy to make. And you open it up. Oops, I've just realized my little magnet's not holding. And inside it has, I don't know if you can see that. It has 6 little gift cards, and it's using the Scallop Blooms Sweet Collection or the Blooms Boutique. So 6 little gift cards with the scallop dies and all the beautiful in colours. And they all just fit nicely in the bottom of this purse. Now you could make, and then this folds back up. So the video tutorial shows you how to do all that, and the PDF gives you the instructions. This spray of flowers comes from the Artisan Sketched Garden Designer Series paper. But if you've got a beautiful flower stamp, you could just stamp your stamp and colour it in. I have coloured this in with the new shimmer brushes that Stampin' Up have brought out. They are so beautiful. If you don't have any, you need to at least buy one to see what they're like. They are just so beautiful to use and work with. And this is another one. So this will be the one that's in the video, whereas this was my one that I made up to just see if it was going to work. So this is the one in the video. And again, I've used the Blooms Boutique Sweet Collection and the Artisan Sketched Garden Designer Series paper. So it opens up like so. This one's a bit easier to see because it's got a stronger colour inside. And then you've got 6 little gift cards that you can use. So you could put, whoops, I just bent that one. You could put anything inside here. Some little chocolates would fit if you didn't want to do the gift cards, if you're doing it as a gift. And I've used little magnets, but you can use Velcro dots. So that is my little customer appreciation gift for the month of June. You'll receive that with a qualifying order of $100 with me. Thank you for watching.